3, and then we're gonna reverse it. Ready?
I'm ready. Okay, we gotta do this first.
Oh, and I'm gonna go back.
We gotta have some music or something.
And we're going back. Oh. And we're gonna do the cocktail. Are we doing the cocktail swivel?
Dude, I got
Oh my god! Cocktail swivel time, bitches!
That's what I really do in the crowd. I'm like, oh guys.
Yeah, we did swivel. That's when we came up with it.
I'm gonna need y'all to do the T-Rex again. I'm sorry.
Okay, put your arms like this.
I just learned it,
legs,
so I'm not that good at
and then
it.
you go like this,
The
this,
jerk.
like this, and then you pause and go,
Got your little hands there.
She goes, she starts, she goes, she goes,
put your feet down.
that peace sign down, 8 down, down.
Every time, 3 count up.